Are you struggling with short-range wireless connections in your IoT projects? Do you want to build smart solutions that communicate over miles with minimal power? Ever wondered how technologies like smart agriculture, remote sensing, and asset tracking achieve seamless long-range communication? Hi, I'm Ashraf Saeed Al-Madhoun, part of the educational engineering team. With years of experience in IoT development and wireless communication, I've helped thousands of students and professionals master cutting-edge technologies, and now I'm here to help you unlock the full potential of LoRa. In this course, you'll learn the fundamentals of LoRa technology and spread spectrum modulation, how to calculate link budgets and optimize performance factors, hands-on implementation using the React RYLR998 module, real-world applications of LoRa in IoT, from smart cities to industrial automation. By the end of this course, you'll be able to design and implement long-range IoT solutions, troubleshoot and optimize LoRa networks, and build and code your own LoRa-based communication systems. Whether you're an IoT developer, student, or hobbyist, this course empowers you to innovate. So, what are you waiting for? Click the Enroll Now button and start your journey in mastering long-range connectivity with LoRa today.